At this moment, you might feel like you're not reaching your full potential and find yourself trapped in a seemingly endless routine. However, today I want to share with you a meditation technique proposed by Neville Goddard that truly works quickly and effectively. It's important to recognize that you are about to embark on a powerful and deliberate process that directly connects with your natural abilities as a creator. As you prepare to begin, the 5-minute manifestation technique represents the first step in our journey towards conscious creation. This practice is essential for clearing your mind. Think of it as a gentle reset button designed for your mental landscape. It's time to turn things around and allow yourself to explore new possibilities. Take a moment to center yourself as you settle into your chosen space. Begin by taking a deep breath in, allowing the breath to flow into your lungs. Then, exhale slowly, releasing any tension or distraction that may be present. Close your eyes gently and visualize a radiant light surrounding you. Conceive this light as a purifying force that cleanses your energy, providing you with peace and clarity. Let the warmth of this light permeate your entire being, eliminating any residual mental noise or stress. The simple act of clearing your mind in this process sets the stage for focused intention and the transformative steps that will follow. This is a fundamental step in paving the way for new possibilities and facilitating your connection with the power of manifestation. Incorporating a strong sense of mindfulness in this step can further enhance its effectiveness. Observe without judgment the sensations in your body and the flow of thoughts in your mind as you inhale and exhale. This practice of mindfulness helps you fully connect with the present moment, creating a harmonious environment in which the energies of manifestation can flourish. By clearing your mind, you are essentially creating a blank canvas upon which to paint the vivid strokes of your desires. Remember, this process is not about eliminating all thoughts, it's about cultivating a serene mental environment that supports your journey of manifestation. So take your time with this step, allowing tranquility to envelop you before moving on to the next steps of your journey of conscious creation. Now that you have turned your mind into a serene canvas, let's move on to the second step of our rapid manifestation technique, identifying your desire with crystal clarity. Think of this step as the compass that guides your journey toward manifestation. It's about translating your aspirations into words and thoughts that have the power to shape your reality. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly desire as you sit in your tranquil space. Allow it to arise from the depths of you, whether it's a specific goal, a heartfelt dream, or a transformative change. Once you have defined your desire, express it in words as if it is already a reality in the present moment. This transition from thought to language carries with it a distinct energy that is in alignment with the law of attraction. Infuse positivity and gratitude into your desire as you write or type it out. Express your intention with confidence and conviction, as if you are revealing a valuable secret to the universe. Express yourself, be creative right now. This practice not only solidifies your intentions but also demonstrates your willingness to embrace the manifestation process with your clearly defined desire. Now, let's enter the captivating realm of visualization, which lies at the heart of our rapid manifestation process. Consider this step as the artist's palette, where you can paint your desires with the vibrant colors of your imagination. Visualization allows you to create a mental landscape that reflects your ideal reality, accelerating the manifestation process. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and exhale any remaining tension. Allow yourself to sink into the comfort of your inner world. Now, imagine your desire unfolding before you like a scene from a movie. Visualize the colors, shapes, and textures that make up your vision in great detail. Immerse yourself fully in this mental image, engaging your senses as you explore this alternate reality. Feel the textures, hear the sounds, and see the vibrant colors. Visualize not only the outcome but also the journey itself. Savor each step along the way, allowing the emotions associated with your manifested desire to envelop you. Create a symphony of energy that resonates with your intention. Now, let's move on to the fourth step of our rapid manifestation technique, feeling the emotion. Consider this step as the heartbeat that brings your desires to life, propelling them from mere thoughts to tangible realities. Emotions are the universal language, and in this step, you will learn to speak them fluently. Allow the corresponding emotions to flood you as you continue to bask in the glow of your visualized desire. Consider the joy, gratitude, and sense of accomplishment that come with seeing your dream come true. Feel the emotion as if your desire is materializing right before your eyes, and let this emotion permeate your entire being. This isn't just about imagining emotions, it's about truly experiencing them. Let your heart swell with gratitude, your soul resonate with joy, and your spirit dance with excitement. This emotional commitment is not just a byproduct, it is an essential component of the manifestation process. Emotions carry with them a powerful energetic charge that attracts your desires. As we progress in our journey of rapid manifestation, we come to a step that solidifies your intentions and deepens your connection with the universe, affirming your belief. Consider this step as a mantra that echoes your unwavering faith in the manifestation process. Affirmations are energetic signals that guide the universe toward your desired reality while your emotions still resonate within you. Gently open your eyes and fix your gaze on the words that define your desire. These words convey not only the strength of your intention but also the conviction of your belief. Read your desire aloud, infusing your words with certainty and passion. Allow the vibrations of your voice to resonate through your being as you speak, affirming your alignment with your manifestation. Make your statement even more specific to amplify its impact. This step strengthens your commitment and sends clear signals to the universe about your firm and definite intentions. For health and abundance. My body is a sacred temple deserving of care and vitality. As I nurture my health, abundance in all its forms manifests in my life. I am filled with energy and well-being. For love. Love flows to me steadily and harmoniously. My heart is open and receptive to healthy, meaningful relationships. I deserve love and am worthy of being loved exactly as I am. For money. I am a magnet for financial prosperity. Every day, my life is filled with opportunities that lead me to abundance. My actions and decisions attract wealth and success. In this final stage of our manifestation journey, we encounter a critical practice, the art of letting go and trusting. This is akin to releasing a delicate butterfly into the breeze and allowing it to soar on its own. Letting go doesn't imply giving up, rather, it means relinquishing control and trusting in the universal flow after confirming your belief. Take a moment to acknowledge that the wheels of manifestation are already in motion. Consider your desire as a seed that you've planted in the fertile soil of the universe. Trust that the universe has heard your intention and is tirelessly working to create the ideal conditions for your manifestation to occur. This step requires surrender, a willingness to let go of the outcome and trust the how and when to the universe. You are aligning with the energy of trust and allowing the process of manifestation to unfold naturally. In doing so, remember that the universe's timeline may not always align with ours, but the right timing is always present. Maintaining a state of receptive activity is also part of trusting the process. Keep your eyes open to signs, synchronicities, and opportunities. The universe communicates through numerous channels, and your role is to keep an open mind to its guidance. You are creating space for the magic of manifestation as you release the need to control every detail. This is not a step of passive waiting, it is an active surrender. You are amplifying the power of your intention by releasing your desire into the hands of the universe. Your trust attracts your desire, orchestrating events and circumstances to align with your vision. Remember that the law of attraction is a dynamic force that responds to your energy. This 5-minute technique is a powerful catalyst for rapid manifestation. By incorporating this technique into your routine consistently, you will be amazed at how your desires manifest in unexpected ways. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments, I'll be reading them, and don't forget to give me your valuable like. Thank you for being here. And remember to affirm I in the comments. I achieve absolutely everything I desire and intend. It is done.